Hello everyone, welcome back to our podcast. My name is Revita Mawarni. My student ID number 201250020.
And I, Farihatu Soleha, my student ID number 201250005. So are you ready?
I'm doing great. How about you, Faria?
I'm doing well too. Thanks for asking.
That's great to hear. So, what are we doing to talk about today?
Today we are going share two good experience and bad experience and the lessons we learned for them.
That sounds interesting. Why don't you start first, Fariha?
Sure, let me tell you about my experience. My good experience was when I became Pradana Putri and vice chairperson of the student council at my school. It was a valuable experience because I learned how to work with a team and take responsibility. During our leadership, the student council received many compliments from teachers because we were active, disciplined, and worked well together. I feel proud and happy because our hard work was appreciated.
Wow, that's amazing. You must have learned a lot from that experience.
Yes, I learned how to be responsible, work a team, and become a better leader.
That's a very valuable experience. What's about your best experience?
Okay, my bad experience happened when I helped organize a school event. Some things did not go according to plan, and there were several problems during the preparation. At the time, I felt disappointed and stressed. However, the experience taught me to be more prepared, patient, and responsible.
I see. Sometimes difficult experience can teach you important lesson.
That's true. Well, life shared my experience. No, Revi, what you like to tell us about your experience?
Of course, I'd love to share them. Good experience in my first semester of college. When I started my first semester in college, I tried to change my bad habits from high school. I became more disciplined in managing my team and made an effort to arrive on time for every class. In addition, I no longer underestimated assessment given by my lecturers. I started working on the error and compensate them before the deadlines. This change helped me become more responsible and allowed me to perform better in my studies. Through this experience, I learned that disciplines and responsibility are important keys to achieving success in education. And bad experience in senior high school. When I was in senior high school, I was often late for school. Because of these habits, I was punished several times by my teacher, such as cleaning the school environments or standing in front of the class. At that time, I did not realize the importance of disciplines and kept repeating the same mistakes. Based that I often underestimate my school assessment. I usually did them at the least. As a result, some of my grades were not satisfactory, and I was frequently reprimanded by my teacher. This experience taught me that being undisciplined and irresponsible can have negative consequences for myself.
Thank you for sharing your experience, Revi.
Thank you to Fariha.
We learned that both good and bad experience can help us grow and become better people.
That's right. Thank you everyone for listening to your podcast.
See you next time. Goodbye.
I just had to let you know you're